Hi student, 12th standard physics, unit 2, current electricity. Now we will discuss about register in series and parallel. The first one is register. The introduction of register. Register is passive components that are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels, to divide voltages, etc. The primary function of the register is to limit the flow of electric current. Next one is the register in series and parallel. Register in series and parallel. This is symbol of register. Symbol of register. The electric circuit may contain a number of resistors which can be connected in different ways. For each type of circuit, we can calculate the equivalent resistance produced by a group of individual resistors. This is the introduction of resistor in series and parallel. This topic, resistor in series. When two or more resistors are connected end to end, they are said to be in series. Series means todar inai, that is series connection. Three resistors R1, R2 and R3 connected in series. The amount of charge passing through resistor R1 must also pass through resistors R2 and R3. Due to this reason, the current I passing through all the three resistors in the same. Resistor is the same. According to Ohm's law, Ohm's law is defined as current is directly proportional potential different. Current is directly proportional potential different. I is directly proportional V, that is V equal to IR. V equal to IR. This is Ohm's law. Then, if the same current passing through different resistors of different values, then the potential difference across each resistor must be different. Let V1, V2 and V3 be the potential difference across each of the resistors R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Then we can write V1 equal to IR1, V2 equal to IR2 and V3 equal to IR3. For the total voltage V is equal to the sum of voltages across each resistor. So V equal V1 plus V2 plus V3. Then V equal IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. That is V equal to IR from the Ohm's law. So V equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R1 plus R2 plus R3 equal to RS. RS means equivalent resistance. When several resistors are connected in series, the total or equivalent resistance is the sum of the individual. This is RS, the equivalent resistance equal to sum of individual resistance. Sum of individual resistance. Then next one is resistor in parallel. Resistor in parallel. Parallel connection. This is pakka inaipu. Resistors are in parallel when they are connected across the same potential difference. In this case, the total current I that leaves the battery is split into three separate paths. Let I1, I2 and I3 be the current through the resistors R1, R2 and R3 respectively. The total current in the circuit I is equal sum of the currents through each of the three resistors. I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Since the voltage across each resistor is the same, applying Ohm's law to each resistor we have. That is I equal to V divided by R from the Ohm's law. I equal to V by R1, I equal to V by R2, I equal to V by R3. Substituting these values in equation 1, so I equal to V divided by R1 plus V divided by R2 plus V divided by R3. So I equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So that is Rp equal to, that is equivalent resistance in parallel. So 1 divided by Rp equal to 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2 plus 1 divided by R3. Here Rp is the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination of resistors.